Hey everybody, this is Derek here at the Chan Real Estate Group, and happy Monday to all. We're about to do our recap for the COVID market stats in the GTA, and this is for last week, which is May 17th to the 23rd. And so hopefully everybody had a great weekend, and let's just dive into this. So as you'll notice that in the GTA, both freehold and condos, the sales was about 649, that's slightly down from last week, that's 708. We did have an uptick in listings, which we had 2,229 new listings versus the week before at 2,000. So if you're looking at sort of the trends of what's happening, it looks like, there's a lot more people now just, have waited for spring market, and now we're coming into that time where, okay, so people have, been sitting on the fence and wanting to see what happens with the market. But as time goes on, they're now a little bit more motivated to move for whatever reason. And so that's why you're going to see, probably this uptick here, which is just really a bottleneck of all the listings that didn't actually go onto the market earlier this year as they normally would have. If you break that down, what you're going to see here is that there was 196 sales in the condo market versus 206 the week before, and then there was 796 new listings versus 770 the week before. Okay, so again, obviously we're down significantly from where we were in 2019, but as this is sort of the new norm, this is what we're trending at. And so if you look at the freehold section, we've had 453 sales versus 502 the week before, and we've had 1433 new listings versus the week before. Again, like I had mentioned before, we are down from last year almost by 50% as new listings are concerned. But as a new norm, we're noticing that there is an uptick in more activity that you're seeing happen. If you look at sort of the trends after we've come out of COVID, this has been the highest week for any of the new listings since the beginning of April. If we dive into sort of what's happening with Mississauga's market, if you look at the combined market, there's been 64 sales, so on par with what we did last week, and 198 new listings versus 281 the week prior to that. And so right here, we'll see into the condos, 27 sales versus 31, and then 95 new listings versus 92. We've actually had, I think there was a little bit of a surge last week in new listings, or sorry, the week prior, which was 189, whereas last week in the freeholds, we've had 103 new listings, and again, 37 sales in the week prior to that. So we've had a little bit of a downturn, so to speak, compared to week over week for new listings. I don't think that's anything of a concern. It still falls within the lines of sort of what's been happening and what we're trending here. So, yeah, so that's what's happening in the market. I am feeling definitely that there is more people wanting to come back out and get into this market. I think that as this new weather, the warmer weather comes, like, people are going to be out there more actively looking to buy and sell. So if you guys have any questions about, what to do as far as timing is concerned, obviously it's a case to case basis, but, I don't think that people need to be afraid if they want to move. There's still a really great opportunity for them to do so. So everybody stay safe, have a great week, and God bless. Bye for now.